Hello everyone, today I will show you how to find the old apps you downloaded on your iPhone. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So, in order to find the apps that you have downloaded before, maybe you forgot the name and you just want to find it, what you can do is you want to go to App Store because this is where you download all the apps on your iPhone. Click on your profile picture and then click on Purchase History. So click on showing because right now it is showing the paid app. You want to show the free app also that you have downloaded. And let's say I want to modify the duration to be this year. It will show all the apps that I have downloaded over the past year. And that is how you will be able to see the apps that you have downloaded in the past. Thank you.